Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the intensity of the footlight. So on this model we have footlight in the back as well. And in front over here somewhere. So with this model we have this option of changing the intensity, and to do that we have to start the engine. To go to the menu we have to push this button over here. So on the right we have this button, and we are pushing this until we are going to reach over here, this menu. Now if we want to change the light over here, we have to push the wheel, the small wheel. Let's see if we can see over here. This small over here, just push it where the lights are, and we have different options over here: coming home, daytime lights, foot light over here. Push that small wheel as well again, and in my case it's set it at 100%. Let's see if I can show you how the intensity works. All right, where is it? No, it's over here. Oh yeah, now you can see. So I'm changing the intensity, and as you can see it's brighter or less brighter. In my case it's at 100%. So this is how you can change the intensity. Just push the menu button again, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.